Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday mysteries into simple, actionable steps. Today's video is all about how to check marriage records for free in 2025. Whether you're tracing your family tree, verifying a partner's history, or just satisfying your inner detective, this guide will help you navigate the process without spending a dime. Let's dive right in. First off, why would you want to check marriage records? In 2025, with digital access at an all-time high, these records can reveal fascinating details like dates, locations, and even names of spouses. The best part? Many are publicly available for free. But remember, laws vary by location, so always respect privacy rules. Step 1. Start with official government websites. Head to your state's Vital Records office. Most have user-friendly online portals. For example, in the US, sites like the National Center for Health Statistics or your local county clerk's page often let you search databases for free. Just enter the person's name, approximate date, and location, and you might get results instantly. Step 2. Explore free online databases. Platforms like FamilySearch.org, run by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, offer a massive collection of historical records that you can access without any cost. Another gem is the U.S. National Archives website, which has digitized records from various states. Pro tip: use specific search terms like marriage records, state, 2025 feet to narrow down your results and avoid outdated info. If you're not finding what you need online, step 3 involves local resources. Visit your public library or county courthouse. They often have free access to microfilm or digital archives. In 2025, many libraries have partnered with apps that allow remote access, making it easier than ever. Now, a few important tips. Always double-check the accuracy of the information you find, as errors can happen. Be mindful of data protection laws, like GDPR in Europe or state-specific rules in the US, which might limit access. And if records aren't available for free, consider requesting them via mail, which is still a low-cost option. There you have it. Checking marriage records for free doesn't have to be complicated. Give these steps a try and uncover those hidden stories from the past. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.